Hey there, Julia here from violinspiration.com, and today I'm going to share with you a slow motion version of the theme song from Love Story, also called Where Do I Begin? I'm going to show it to you right away. I will use quite some open strings if I think it is okay to use it. And I won't play in third position because that is hard for many of you guys. So I chose to play the easiest version. If you want, you can of course play some parts in third position and it will sound even better. I'm going to show a very slow version so you can copy it for yourself on the violin. And as you guys notice, I take 2 notes on one bow stroke most of the time. And with that, it's important to divide your bow right. So to use the lower part of your bow on the upper part of your bow. So from here, from the middle of the bow, this is called the upper part. Then here you have the lower part of the bow, and you try to divide it evenly. So if you play 2 notes on one bow string, you try to play, and then you try to make the switch to the other note about in the middle of the bow. Okay, let's go on with the slow motion version. Now this is all repeating itself, and now I'm going to show you the second part of the song. By the way, I found some sheet music on the internet. I'm not sure if it is legal if I share the link over here, but you can find it if you look for Love Story theme sheet music.pdf or something like that on Google. You can find some versions of this song in sheet music. So the second time you arrive at this part, you are going to do something else. So you are here. And then it goes on like this. By the way, don't use vibrato yet. If you can't do vibrato, which is this wiggling of the finger, you can play everything without vibrato. And there it starts again on the G string on a high 3. was the slow motion version of Love Story, the theme song. I hope this helped you to learn this on the violin yourself. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm really thankful if you do. And please leave a comment below. I'm reading all the comments and try to help you where I can. Have a beautiful day.